I'm in the sizzling hot River North neighborhood. Just literally steps from the Riverwalk, theMART, tons of nightlife and dining. And I'm at the new 3Eleven apartment tower, a very stylish, very trendy new offering. I'm in one of Sweet Home Chicago's furnished corporate apartments. It's a one-bedroom. It's plank flooring that continues throughout the unit. And since it's Sweet Home Chicago, it's furnished with everything you're going to need to move right in and feel right at home. There's lacquer finished cabinets, good cabinet and counter space, 5-burner gas range, literally all the cookware, dishware, glasses, silverware, knives, countertop appliances, everything you need. An oversized Frigidaire side-by-side refrigerator freezer with ice and water in the door. A very stylish bath. Gray tile that extends up to the ceiling and the tub surround. It's a deep soaking tub. There's a body spray attachment with a rain shower head. A utility closet as you would have entered the unit. And then behind the louvered door, full-size stackable washer dryer and an ironing board. These great floor-to-ceiling windows, a loft feel from the exposed concrete. Heading into the bedroom, it's a second flat panel TV. Nightstands, floor-to-ceiling windows with that great view out to the north. And a really oversized walk-in closet. If you're looking for a place to stay for a while in a great building, you really should take a look at Sweet Home Chicago's furnished corporate suites. Sweet Home Chicago's furnished apartments are a sweet deal